everyone, it's Miss McKee, and today we will once again be talking about opinion paragraphs using our sentence stems. So for Wednesday's homework, you were supposed to talk about your favorite food or your favorite book and tell me why. So I was thinking we could do that. So once again, we need to have these memorized eventually. Our opening, 2 opinion sentences, and a closing. So I'm just going to start right here. So my opening is, in my opinion, I think that. So I'm going to start with a book. In my opinion, I think that Pete the Cat is the best book. And now let's say my favorite book. My favorite book. I feel this way. So here's your first opinion. I feel this way because Pete never gives up. Gives up even when things are hard. I also think this because I love when he steps in different colors and it changes his shoes. So once again, you're just going to copy the first line. Pete, This is why I think Pete the Cat is my favorite book. So let's read it. In my opinion, I think that Pete the Cat is my favorite book. Or you could say the best book. So my favorite book. I feel this way because Pete never gives up even when things are hard. I also think this because I love when he steps in different colors and it changes his shoes. That is why I think that Pete the Cat is my favorite book. Or you could go book. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm going to go over my favorite food. Okay, so go right here. Okay, so we already know what our opening will be because we're talking about our favorite food. In my opinion, I think that raspberries are the best food to eat. Okay, I feel this way because they can be very sweet and you can, they can be very sweet to the taste. I also think this because they are a pretty red color and stain your tongue. That is why I like, once again, we're going to the top. Raspberries are the best food to eat. Okay, so let me explain something really fast. So I also think this because my second reason, I said they are a pretty red color and stain your tongue. So red color is a fact. That's always true. That's the color they always are. But I added pretty in front. Pretty makes it an opinion because not everyone thinks it's a pretty red color. Maybe they think it's an ugly red color. So by putting pretty in front, I'm saying that I like it. Okay, so let's read this. In my opinion, I think that raspberries are the best food to eat. I think this way I feel this way because they can be very sweet to the taste. I also think this because they are a pretty red color and stain your tongue. That is why I think that raspberries are the best food to eat. Okay, friends, I hope that helped. See you later. Bye.